do-it-yourself Dell here, and I got myself a glass bottle full of carrot juice. Now there are wonderful things written on the outside of the bottle here. Feel good, live good, and where it lists the vitamins, it's got anywhere from 4 to 200% of a whole slew of vitamins. It's where it says GMO, it's got a slash through it, and it's vegan and a whole bunch of other things, caffeine free. So this is probably going to taste horrible. I'm not looking forward to this, and I'm going to have to get a towel or something so I can open this cap.
Oh,
there's one.
oof.
It's not just me, that cap is hard to open.
Huh. Doesn't help that look greasy.
There.
Like a
It didn't really pop that loud.
It popped.
It popped a little bit. And
Do you want to...
I was supposed to, if I could get that cap again, the instructions say to shake it up first. So we'll go according to what they say. So shake it up, and then we'll just pour a little in here. Oop. I'm not a big person with cooked carrots either, so that's why I've been reluctant and holding back off doing this eval for quite a while. But, well, let's take the plunge. I'm wondering why they never make mixed drinks with this stuff, or anything, or if there's anything that could be used to dilute it. Some people love their cooked carrots, and I guess it's all in how they're made, but I haven't come across them that well, except in nice restaurants. And when carrots are mixed with other vegetables, that helps a little bit. But here, there's no getting around this. Try again. I guess if you like carrots, you're going to love this. And like I say, it's healthy, and it's organic, and it's pure. I can personally attest to that. It's nice and cold. And maybe somebody has some ideas about maybe they mix it with something. I would like to hear about that. Because then, but here it is. The whole big bottle. I don't know. It's gonna drink. To your health. Carrot juice. And it does have, in the statistics here, it's got a bunch of zeros, which is nice. And as I previously stated, the vitamins down here, there's a whole bunch of them, that bunch of vitamins that are in here. And then these items here as well. There's the vegan, which I mentioned. Gluten-free is another part of it. And some of these other things, I don't know what they are. Allergen free, I think that says, and so that's 2, 4, 6, 8 things there. Probably the healthiest thing that I've ever had in my hands here. So I don't know how much I can help you with this. This one's got me stumped, and I've been holding off on it because I didn't think I could give it an adequate review. But, well, there it is. As I learn more, I'll add comments